The Madhya Pradesh High Court declared the Bhojshala complex as a temple is located in which district of Madhya Pradesh? Correct answer is option C, Dhar. Prime Minister Narendra Modi was conferred the Royal Order of the Polar Star Commander Grand Cross during his visit to which country in May 2026? Correct answer is option B, Sweden. Where was the US China summit held in May 2026, bringing together President Donald Trump and President Xi Jinping? Correct answer is option C, Beijing. Who has been appointed as the new Chief of Defence Staff of India in May 2026? Correct answer is option B, Lieutenant General N.S. Raja Subramani. Which country will host the BRICS summit in 2026? Correct answer is option C, India. Who became the first non-Congress Chief Minister of Assam to serve two consecutive terms? Correct answer is option C, Hemanta Biswa Sarma. Under the Viksit Bharat Guarantee for Rozgar and Ajivika Mission Act 2025, the guaranteed wage employment in rural areas has been increased to how many days per financial year? Correct answer is option A, 125 days. Which team has won the Ranji Trophy 2025-26? Correct answer is option C, Jammu and Kashmir. Who became the ninth Chief Minister of West Bengal on 9th May 2026? Correct answer is option C, Suvendu Adhikari. Kavartha North Village Council, which won the top rank in the Clean and Green Panchayat category, is located in which state? Correct answer is option D, Mizoram. Who has been appointed as the next Chief of the Naval Staff of India in May 2026? Correct answer is option C, Vice Admiral Krishna Swaminathan. Who was crowned Femina Miss India World 2026? Correct answer is option B, Sadhvi Satish Sail. What is India's rank in the World Press Freedom Index 2026? Correct answer is option A, 157th. Who was appointed as the 13th Chief Minister of Kerala in May 2026? Correct answer is option B, V.D. Satishan. The Janani platform launched by the Union Health Ministry in May 2026 is related to which sector? Correct answer is option D, maternal and child health care. Which Indian space tech startup became the country's first unicorn in May 2026? Correct answer is option C, Skyroot Aerospace. Which city has been designated as the headquarters of the newly formed South Coast Railway, India's 18th railway zone, notified in May 2026? Correct answer is option D, Vishakhapatnam. Who was appointed as the new chairperson of the Central Board of Film Certification in May 2026? Correct answer is option D, Shashi Shekhar Vempati. Who was honored with the WWF National Award for developing an AI based conservation app? Correct answer is option B, N. Alim Yusuf. Who became the youngest swimmer to cross the Park Strait in April 2026, completing the 29-kilometer swim in 9 hours 50 minutes? Correct answer is option C, Ishank Singh. Which special feature has been included in the Delhi Dehradun Economic Corridor to protect biodiversity? Correct answer is option B. Elevated wildlife corridor near forest areas. Who became the first BJP Chief Minister of Bihar on 15th April 2026? Correct answer is option D. Samrat Chaudhary. India ranked which position in the World Happiness Report 2026 among 147 countries? Correct answer is option C. 116th. R. Vaishali, who won the FIDE Women's Candidates Tournament 2026, will challenge which player for the World Championship? Correct answer is option D. Zhu Wenjun. Military exercise Dustolik 2026 conducted in April 2026 is a joint exercise between which countries? Correct answer is option B. India and Uzbekistan. Who is the Austrian Chancellor who visited India in April 2026 to strengthen trade, technology, and cultural cooperation? Correct answer is option C. Christian Stocker. The Constitution 131st Amendment Bill 2026 is related to which of the following? Correct answer is option C. 33% reservation for women in legislatures. Who was re-elected as Deputy Chairman of the Rajya Sabha in April 2026? Correct answer is option A. Harivansh Narayan Singh. Who became the 95th Chess Grandmaster of India? Correct answer is option B. Aronyak Ghosh. Who is said to become the CEO of Apple, succeeding Tim Cook from 1st September 2026? Correct answer is option C. John Turnus. Which Indian film won the Best Children's and Family Film Award at BAFTA Awards 2026? Correct answer is option B. Boong. What is India's rank in the Global Terrorism Index 2026? Correct answer is option B. 13th. The joint military exercise Vajra Prahar is conducted between India and which country? Correct answer is option B. United States. What is India's rank in the Network Readiness Index 2025? Correct answer is option C. 45th. Who won the Santosh Trophy 2025-26 title? Correct answer is option B. Services Football Team. Which city ranked first in Cost of Living Index 2026? Correct answer is option C. Zurich. Which film won the Best Film Award at the BAFTA Film Awards 2026? Correct answer is option C. One Battle After Another. The 7th edition of Joint Military Exercise Dharma Guardian between India and Japan was held at which location? Correct answer is option C. Chaubattiya, Uttarakhand. The state of Kerala is proposed to be renamed as. Correct answer is option B. Keralam. Who released the coffee table book Atal Bihari Vajpayee, The Eternal Statesman on 21st February 2026? Correct answer is option B. C.P. Radhakrishnan. Who inaugurated India's first Namo Bharat Regional Rapid Transit System on 22nd February 2026? Correct answer is option C. PM Narendra Modi. Who won the Global Teacher Prize 2026? Correct answer is option B. Rubal Nagi. Where was the India AI Impact Summit 2026 held? Correct answer is option B. Bharat Mandapam, New Delhi. Which state's tableau titled Ganeshotsav, a symbol of Atmanirbharta, secured first place at Republic Day Parade 2026? Correct answer is option A, Maharashtra. Which two cities are connected by India's first Vande Bharat sleeper train? Correct answer is option D, Howrah and Guwahati. Shekha Jheel, recently declared a Ramsar site, is located in which district of Uttar Pradesh? Correct answer is option D, Aligarh. Which country exited OPEC and OPEC Plus with effect from 1st May 2026? Correct answer is option B, United Arab Emirates. Which Indian state was declared the country's first paperless judiciary state in May 2026? Correct answer is option D, Sikkim. Who has been appointed as the chairman of Prasar Bharati in May 2026? Correct answer is option A, Prasoon Joshi. The last question is, who has been appointed as the Deputy Governor of the Reserve Bank of India in May 2026? Correct answer is option B, Rohit Jain. So friends, that's all in today's video. Today's question for you. The Madhya Pradesh High Court declared the Bhojshala complex as a temple is located in which district of Madhya Pradesh? And the question number second is, which Indian space tech startup became the country's first unicorn in May 2026? So friends, share the answer in the comment box and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.